All right, so we said y equals k, okay? And y equal to k, which is the equation of a plane parallel to the xy plane. Actually, so let's change it, which is a plane parallel to okay. Actually, y equal to the xz plane. I like to keep the order of the right-hand rule, so I'll call it zx. I don't know if you noticed me saying that. Instead of going xz, I go xz, xy, yz, zx. This way we keep the right-hand rule intact, at least mentally speaking. Okay, so the traces in this case will have traces are parabolic. Let's write it here. The traces are parabolic. On the plane y equals k. All right, let's sketch this parallel wisdom. Let me split. So when we sketch it, this is we're gonna see. Let's bring up our standard x, y, z coordinates system. So y equals a constant. Let's say this is y equal k right there. So we end up a parabola on a plane that is parallel to the zx plane, which is right here, and the parabola is like so. Okay? So this is for one k value, and then parallel to it I can come up with another k value, like so, and another k value, like so, and so on. So those are the traces. And we can go on the other side if you want to, of the, or right there. Let's do one more on the negative side of the y-axis. So this k is negative. And now if we add those together, okay, like so, then we have this cylinder. This is open cylinder. I told you it's not our standard notation of what cylinder is. It's not a barrel or a soda can or 50-gallon drum. But nevertheless, we call it cylinder. So those curves are conic section, and those are the parabola. So where are the rulings? Well, the rulings are lined parallel to, they pass through the plane curve or the conic sections, and they're parallel to the y-axis. Okay? So the ruling are lines parallel to the y-axis. Traces are parabolas parallel to the ZX plane. And we can generalize this thing. Okay, so here's the general notes. And this extends to any one of the variable that is missing from the equation, the quadric equation. I'll give you in a minute a more generic form of the quadratic equation, but we'll say the following. If one of the variable x, y, or z is missing, then 2 points. One, the rulings going to be or are parallel to the missing coordinate axis. That's about the ruling, and the surface is a cylinder. Okay, so the ruling are parallel to the missing coordinate